Something I have learned is that the cleaning industry is grueling. If you've been running a cleaning business for a while, no doubt you have had those days where you think, what on earth am I doing this for? Why am I doing this? It's too hard. This is too hard. It's too difficult. It's too stressful. We're great at helping cleaning companies to grow and helping them to systemize and claim back that lifestyle aspect of the business they're missing. But it's this constant process of improving and developing. Yeah, it is grueling. It's a simple business model, but it is grueling. It will grind you down. But if you want to have other people around you that have been through those same things, that are going through those same things, that can give you advice and support, a coach and mentor like myself, or the community like the one we have in the Cleanup Academy, those things are incredible. Those things are worth their weight in gold. They really are, because having that support system around you when you have those tough days, and just being able to speak to a group of people and leave a message, even in a WhatsApp group, and just say, guys, I'm having the worst day, and know that you'll have 20, 30, 40 other people saying to you, I get it, I've been there. It's really tough, but I've been there, I know what it's like. Hey, here's what helped me. That is invaluable. So if you are feeling that way yourself, look, that will pass, I promise. And if you're feeling that way all the time on a regular basis, I think that suggests that something needs to change, because you can't keep feeling that way.